I don't have levels anymore. That's just...
Hello?
They're all dead.
No shot.
They're all dead.
What?
Yeah. Drop people from a ravine.
Show me their armor, Samuel Eclipse.
The only thing I could get was, Comet's chestplate, Bacon's helmet, and Trash's boots.
I'm going fishing.
Bro, you cannot handle it.
She said it's mere fishing. Do you have a fishing rod?
Our friends are
Samuel
dead?
Eclipse?
I can make one. Oh yeah, but by the way. Bone.
Oh no.
By the way, they're not dead. That was just spare armor.
Yeah.
I had a feeling.
I don't have any sticks. Did someone have sticks? Oh boy.
Fucking, can I craft the bones already? Keep misclicking my recipe book.
How about I go like outside at night? Why do you
Nope.
do
That's a good idea. You should do
What
that.
happened? What happened?
You would
Oh.
die.
Oh, I see. Try to come here. I see the reason why I shouldn't come.
There's a few little creatures. Oh wait, there's normal Enderman.
I see.
Aggro him.
He's too
Look.
far. Hold on.
Shit. Oh no,
You see him over
we
there?
need that lad.
Where'd he go?
Bro, I see the thieves.
Oh
Oh, they.
Oh!
no! Gang war! Where's the Enderman? I saw the Enderman like for a second.
He's
I
still
see-
there. He's just...
Should we go get him?
He's gone.
you can go get him. You can go get him.
Oh, crooked.
Don't lock me out of the house! What the fuck do I look like?
A creature.
I'm a
Who the
school
hell is that?
principal when he shows up to my door.
Wait. Crimson Gaming? Hold on. My man's. Look at him go. Crimson Gaming. Look at him go.
Crimson Gaming!
Look at him go.
What's my
Ain't-
boy doing?
Ain't no way, we gotta help Crimson Gaming. Hold up.
No.
Crimson Gaming
No.
stuck, we gotta help him!
No, they're going after Crimson Gaming. They're going after Crimson Gaming. Save the bro. We need to save bro. We need to save bro.
Crimson
Let's go save bro.
didn't take his tetanus shot, we gotta help him!
Bro actually just has like 80.
I'm coming, Crimson
Behind
Gaming.
you.
Crimson Gaming follows Elon Musk,
Behind
he
you.
needs help.
He follows Elon Musk on Twitter. Oh no! I follow Sass Nikki on Twitter and the stuff I see.
She doesn't even, it's not even that bad, honestly.
I see him.
I follow
I see
Poyo
him.
on Twitter, so what I see is infinitely worse.
Crimson Gaming. Hold on,
Crimson
I need to see him.
Gaming! Crimson
I need to see
Gaming!
bro.
I hate how we're all
There he
going
is.
in different
It's
directions.
bro. Look at him go.
Yo!
Look at
Oh
him.
my god, oh my god!
It's bro. Who is Crimson Gaming? Like, who's the actual guy behind Crimson Gaming?
Oh, look at him. Don't kill him, what are you doing?
No, who is the guy behind Crimson
he
Gaming?
Oh, he didn't take his tetanus shot.
No,
Who is
he's
the guy?
diseased!
What?
He died of natural causes!
That's it.
Oh no,
I see
God.
Scooter. I don't see.
Trash!
That's what you get for killing my boy.
He was diseased, he killed him.
Yeah, you're gone. Yeah, you're gone.
Guess I'm out on my
Oh,
own, guys.
I-
Oh, so Trent. You're all gone. Bye
I'm an
bye.
accomplice.
Yay.
I'm on my own, guys.
You guys are
Doesn't
done.
kill you makes you stronger.
Whatever kills you, kills you.
Hello?
I got jump scared by a creeper.
What the fuck happened here?
Okay. Crooked. So I was standing here. A creeper jumped up, and I was like,
that was really funny. What the fuck?
"Let's go out at night."
Sammy, you're gonna die. Get back in
It
here.
doesn't kill you, make you stronger.
It
Just
is
keep
gonna
swimming.
kill you.
Just keep swimming.
Oh, wait,
Just keep swimming.
Okay, I need
Crooked, just keep swimming.
this. No, let me in. You fucking
Just keep
morsel.
That's a DST thing.
What? Morsel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to the fishing hole. Who wants to come?
Yo, where they all died? Sure! I can't wait to be sucked in like Cooper.
Oh no, we have a new fishing hole.
Yeah, no. Oh my
this
god. You know what? Actually, this way's safe for Samuel Eclipse. Come on. Where is he? Right there.
Oh my god!
It's still here!
I'm about to start Gort posting again.
Do not! I will kill you if you post Gort in front of my... Oh.
I'm Gort posting.
Eh?
It's Glort Day.
It is not Gort Day. It's never Gort Day. Also, aren't you guys supposed to be dead?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait,
I need food.
who told you
No,
that?
Sammy
No, we
came
don't
up
need
and he was
food.
like, yeah, they're all dead, and he started throwing armor pieces at us.
I did believe him.
Is that why all those armor pieces were crafted? He made those just for the bit?
I don't know, maybe.
That'd be really
What you
funny
guys
if
have
he
been
made
up
them
to?
just for the
No, he
vid.
did. There's a bunch of golden chest plates everywhere.
My lily pad!
I'm sorry.
Oh no.
Oh.
Ooh,
Uh-oh.
bug.
Wait, that means like primitive or adapted mobs, right?
I think that can also mean... I don't know what that means, because the one time there was no primitive shit, we just never saw it, but we were still hearing lightning strikes, so who knows what that could be.
Okay.
Hey, Big, can you want to go get food like man?
Not really.
Whoa, I did that and almost died.
I'll
It
tell
is
ya,
true.
There's lightning strikes.
Listen, there's
things-
nothing more manly than
What a-
if casting a rod.
I love
Amen, brother.
What the fuck?
What are we gonna do? Now.
Ooh,
What's our
carrots.
goal? Enderman, right?
Ender dragon. Oh, that gave me a heart attack.
Bro, whose goofy ass ringtone is that?
Around, I don't
Somebody
think.
else.
I don't think any food. Wait, those guys over there.
Okay.
I see 2 cows and a pig. We can mine to them. Well, I don't want to go out because
Can
scary.
we lure them
So
with carrots? Can we lure them with carrots?
they're not far enough. If they're out of your render distance, they're not far. I mean, they are far.
They're not even in my render distance. I can't do it.
That's what I meant. I'm in
I hear something.
How do we know if we hit them? Hold up, I got an idea. I got slabs, so we can create windows.
That's not glue, but
Oh, that's so far. We're not even close. Could make a pig farm. We have the carrots.
true. We have the carrots. We have. Would you play Angry Birds at a funeral? Be honest.
I would put the entire Angry Birds soundtrack on my funeral playlist. You hear that?
I hear it.
Oink!
Oink, oink, little fella, oink. Wait, what's the point of making a pig farm when you just kill them and they'll turn evil?
Well, they're not evil now, so if my logic
on.
is...
Come on. You gonna
Hold
come
up.
in here?
Hold up. I'm creating a
Run
little
away.
pit for him. Is that a village over there? That's a village. Can't get that now, but like...
Piggy, 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 piggy. You don't have
Pig.
food, do you? You don't
I have carrots. Pigs.
Piggy, piggy, piggy. Got one.
Come on.
Come on, little guy. You going in this pit?
Or yeah. Come on.
Okay.
Oink, oink.
Is there another one?
Oink. Oink oink.
Hey, hey, oink, oink,
Hold up.
oink.
Trash move.
I fell in the pig hole.
Oink oink. Oink oink. 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 Ah. Hey buddy. Hey buddy.
Come on, dude. You've got so much to oink for.
Come on. Come on. We did it! Blocked it off!
Pig, piggy, piggy.
We
piggy,
got it!
piggy, piggy. We got him, piggy. Have sex in the apocalypse.
Let's go!
Apocalypse shit, baby.
We did it!
We successfully repopulated the pig.